Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am thrilled to have you here in another exciting coding tutorial. In our previous videos, we have covered the basic of conditional statements starting with the if-else. Today we are going to take a step further and dive into the world of switch case statements and nesting. Alright, so before we jump into the specifics of switch case statement, let's quickly have a recap of what we have learned so far. In our earlier videos, we have explored how if-else statement helps us make decisions in our code based on certain conditions. They allow our program to execute different blocks of code depending on whether a condition is true or false. Now that we are up to speed, let's introduce a new tool in our coding arsenal, the switch case statement. The switch case statement is another way to handle multiple conditions in our code, but it offers a more concise and structured approach compared to the series of if-else statement. Here's how it works. We start with a keyword switch followed by the expression in the parenthesis. This expression is evaluated and its value will determine the flow of our program. Think of it as a selector dial on a washing machine where each option leads to a different action. As you can see, the switch statement provides a clean and organized way to handle multiple conditions. We define different cases using the case keyword followed by the value or a condition. When the expression matches a condition, the corresponding block of code is executed. Now that we have a good understanding of switch case statements, let's take it a step further and explore nesting. Nesting allows us to combine multiple conditions together, creating a complex decision-making structure in our code. With nesting, we can have a switch case statement within another switch case statement, or even an if-else statement within switch case, or even if-else within if-else. This gives us a tremendous flexibility in handling complex scenarios and makes our code more robust and versatile. Alright folks, we have covered a lot of ground today diving into the world of switch case statement and nesting. By now you should have a solid understanding of how these concepts work and how they can elevate your coding skills to the next level. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends. If you have any queries, please leave them in the comments. I'll be more than happy to help you guys. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future updates. Thank you all for joining me today. Remember, coding is an art, and with each video we are adding new brush strokes to our masterpiece. So until next time, happy coding fellas.